What's up, everybody? Welcome to Area 52, otherwise known as PEV Works. Come on in, let me show you around. So this spot is going to serve as a brand new studio for the Alien Rides YouTube channel, as well as PEV Repair Center. So let me show you around. This is reception here. People come in the door and we check them in. And we've got these shelves back here with all these extra spare parts like tires, bags, and we're gonna get a lot more. We've got some tire sealant there and some other stuff. And this is the lounge section over here. So this is the Basegate lounge. You see the big Basegate sign on the wall. And we've got a little fridge with some drinks in there. So people just kind of come in, hang out, and they charge their PEVs and put up their coats and helmets. Over here, we've got all the PEV repairs and rentals, so people can come in and rent a scooter or a unicycle, which is pretty cool. And we've got some adjustable height desks here, so we can stand if you want to, and people can come in and work if they want to. And back here, we've got the workshop, so people can sign up for a workshop membership at PEV Works, and they get access to all of the tools on the wall, and we're getting a lot more tools in constantly. We've got some welding and drilling and 3D printer equipment, so we're getting a lot of tools in here, and you should be able to build anything. It's going to be specialized for personal electric vehicles like scooters, unicycles, Eastgate, OneWheels, all those kinds of things, but you should be able to build anything here. We've got some pretty heavy-duty work tables with rolling chairs, and everything is on wheels too, so we can reconfigure the space as we need to kind of change the layout as needed very easily. We're gonna have a lot more tools over here. We've got saws. You can see the remnants of ramen board. And we'll be doing a lot more projects like that. There's e-bikes and e-bike projects going on here as well. And yeah, let me show you the back here. This is gonna be a YouTube studio and editing bay here. We're setting this all up right now. We've got all the valuables in cages. These are locked cages, so nobody can steal my equipment or camera gear, which is all gonna be back here. We're gonna set up the filming studio back here, so I've got my crazy desk, and we're gonna have lights and a curtain to kind of separate everything. We've got some more tools over here, like a paint booth, dust collector. We're setting all this up right now. And then back here is wing mods, and you can see all the boosted revs and things they got there. And besides that, we just got the bathroom back there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the space. So I hope you all enjoyed this little warehouse tour. We're gonna be doing a ton of video content here. Definitely like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you videos, and check out PEV Works. I'll leave a link in the video description below. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.